Dude,
That was sick.
get me out of. Whoa!
Oh, the bell!
Clip him. You sprayed it everywhere. You sprayed it everywhere and it's gross.
Like your
No.
mom, like, would paint like a wall green.
Yeah, that's what the disinfectant is. It's gross. Alright, what up? Sorry.
I feel like your mom would paint like a wall green and then be like a day later like, why is this wall
No,
green?
I have
Gross
COVID. I'm not coming out there. Cause you sprayed the disinfectant. Does not smell good. I don't know.
He's gonna think you're shitting yourself.
Yeah, it smells like the disinfectant.
Dog, this can't be real. What was it? It was like...
No,
Fuck did you get a red item from?
the first level. What? Dog. I'm not.
Go in the garage.
Why would it?
Go downstairs.
No.
For 1 second.
No.
It smells like
Mom, I have COVID.
It must be a skunk.
Dog. This can't be real.
Like shit in my room, bro. Like absolute dog. No, it's because my mom's boiling fucking a pot of eggs, bro. It's 1 in the morning.
Oh, that's such a real statement. That's the
Dude.
This game sucks, dude.
Yes, yes. You know who else?
I'm not gonna die. I've never died. I've never died. I've never.
You know who else has the bitch?
Hey, kid.
Hey, Skip. You know who else? Do you know who else has dementia? Ace.
Who
Ace
allowed this?
Need Cardi B in the background.
Cardi B. It's pussy ain't free. Aw.
This pussy ain't free.
600 and something. Dude, my.
So,
Both of my drones like ate my shot. Ate my shot.
this is a great idea.
Whatever floats your boat. Oh, you could be gay. I would not care. I have like 2-3 gay friends.
My manager's gay.
So your friend?
Yeah.
And you have a gay friend? 2 gay friends. She only likes women. So what is his name? Pablo? Is it Pablo?
No, it's Carlos.
Carlos, yeah.
That was racist as fuck, dog.
I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself.
I couldn't help myself. It's like saying, like, what was that one black guy, Tyrone? That's racist, dog.
That's exactly.
Oh, Anthony! Oh my god! Oh! Anthony, let's up for spawn fucking creatures! We spawn nukes! We spawn nukes!
What the fuck? What is doing that?
That's off post do that!
Revive me, for God's sakes. You haven't been doing it at all this run, have you?
I just want literally one more, bro. Calm down.
Before I even started the
Okay, I wasn't paying attention, okay?